out, man. Holy hell. That looks totally different, mate.
Hey guys, JP here from Auto Craze down at Silverwater HQ, ready to get it rocking and rolling. We've got my first big build. I'm really excited for this one. We've got Paul's Ranger here. He's pretty much dropped me the keys and let me do what I want. Stay tuned and see what we do. Oh man, all that waiting, brother.
Yeah.
Here's your new piece.
Holy hell. Far out, man.
Yeah, man. Wow. Roll bars on, kicks are on, tyres, winch, everything's done, man. But
that looks totally different, mate.
have a look around, man. What do you think?
Holy hell. It's massive. Wow. What can I say, dude?
What do you think?
That's awesome.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Hit your expectations?
Yeah. She's
Yeah?
looking smooth, mate.
Jump through, man. We'll walk through what we've done. All right, so first obvious one, brother, is the rival bar. So rival bar, that's on. The light bar on top, winch, and then we've got the underbody armour. So it breaks it up a little bit, got a bit of colour in there as well.
Yeah.
Coming over this side here, we've got the 4-inch stainless steel Snorkel, auto crazed. And then in here, we've got your lift. So we've got 2-inch Dobinson monotube lift, which is raised at 50mm. So it's sitting nice and heavy. Then with wheels and tyres, we've got the KMC Granades on there, wrapped them in the Falken AT3Ws. So looking nice and slick as well, man.
Yeah. It's totally changed it, mate. It's like a brand new truck.
Brand new truck, that's what we want to do, man. So you've officially been auto crazed.
Awesome.
But man, one thing I wanted to go through with you, I know in the last couple of years you've been through a lot, especially with the accident at work. Yeah. You've got a few kids at home as well.
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
Shout out to the kids back at home. They've nicknamed the car Turbo, so hopefully we've done Turbo justice.
Unreal. This guy's been awesome. I recommend it to anyone. No hassles at all. One phone call and it's been done. Thanks, JP.
No worries at all, brother. That's what we're here for, man.
See you next time, mate.